Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay guys, so let's give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel. Alright, so let's make a strawberry ice cream smoothie. And I'm saying ice cream and smoothie because I'm putting all of that in there. I'm not making just a smoothie. I'm not making a shake. I'm gonna do the yogurt with the ice cream and the strawberries all in one. Okay, and we're gonna be using the Ninja. All right. Okay, so let's do it, shall we? Thank you. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be using the Ninja right here. So I have here 1 cup of strawberry yogurt, okay? And this is the container that I got it from. Alright? We're going to put that right in here. Now I have 1 cup of strawberry ice cream that I got out of here. So this is the strawberry chocolate and vanilla ice cream all in this one container. So what I did is I just scooped out the strawberry section, okay? Okay. Breyer's ice cream. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Alright, so now we're going to add the ice cream. Alright, now I have some strawberry syrup. Okay, this is strawberry syrup like you put on it for a topping on ice cream. That's about 1, 2, 3 squirts. I count it like that, okay? Alright, now we got some whole frozen strawberries. So that's 3. Okay, that's about 6, okay? And you're supposed to not go past the max line right here, okay? Alright, so I think that that's plenty because it has to mix up a little bit. Alright. Let's put the top on. I'm thinking that I may have to add a little water, but I always like to see first. No, I know I'm going to have to add some water because I have the frozen strawberries. Well, we'll see. Let's give it a shot first. If it moves fine, then I don't. If it doesn't, then I do. Okay. So the Ninja is loud, so I'm going to hit the boost button and start. It's not moving anymore up here. You can see it's not mixed in up here at this end. This is strawberry, but this is still a white color. So I'm going to take it off, and the first thing I want to do is shake it. If I can't shake it where it moves, then I need to add some water. So Only part of it moved, this part didn't. So I'm going to add some water. Oh, definitely. See how thick that is? Okay, I have about maybe 3 tablespoons of water here. And we're going to put the top back on and mix it again. I can see it moving. We're good. Put that on and let it mix. One more time. Okay, let me get a cup and pour that out and show you. Okay, I buy these cups at Dunkin' Donuts. You can buy the cup. This is a large size. The lid and a straw for 25 cents. Well, 26 cents with tax. Okay, I want you to see how it's moving. You see that? And watch, we're going to pour it in. Oh yeah, that's the consistency we want for a smoothie. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Oh my goodness. I think adding the strawberry ice cream brought that flavor up a notch. Even though I had strawberry yogurt and the strawberry fresh, well, the frozen strawberries, I think the ice cream brought the creaminess, a little thickness, and the flavor up. I love it. Love it. So I'm going to have a slice of pizza with this, and that's going to be my dinner for tonight. How about that, huh? Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is life is short. And the reason why I'm saying it's short, not necessarily that your life will be cut off at a younger age, but it's short in terms of what you want to accomplish. It's short in terms of what you actually have accomplished. It's short in terms of have you reached your goals. It's short in terms of, well, I didn't do nothing today. It's short in terms of you didn't contribute to society. It's short. And you never know when your time is running out. So if I were you, I'd get busy. Because at the end of the day, at the end of the year, at the end of your life, you want to be able to say, well done. Well done. You did everything on your bucket list. You accomplished some goals. You helped some people. And most of all, you showed people how to love because you loved them back. Okay, that's the word of the day. How about that, huh? Okay, life is short. Okay, thanks for hanging around. Thanks for watching the video with me, sharing and caring. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think about it, okay? And I'll be talking to you soon, alright? Grandma Ray loves you. Bye-bye.